In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort dates into chronological order. If you are working with a spreadsheet and your dates are out of sequence, organizing them properly can make your data much easier to read and analyze. The good news is that sorting dates in chronological order is very quick once you know exactly where to click. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, highlight the entire range of data you want to sort. Make sure you include all the related columns, not just the date column itself. This is important because if you only select the dates, the rest of your information may no longer match the correct row after sorting. Also include the top header row when selecting your data, especially if your table has column titles. Taking a moment to select everything correctly helps avoid mistakes later. Once your data is highlighted, go to the top menu and click Data. From there, choose Sort Range and then click Advanced Range Sorting Options. This opens the settings you need so you can control exactly how the sort is applied. Using the Advanced option is especially helpful because it lets you specify whether your data includes headers and which column should be used for the sort. If your columns have titles, check the box labeled Data has header row. This tells the spreadsheet to treat the first row as labels rather than actual data. That way, your headers stay in place at the top and do not get mixed into the sorting process. If you skip this when headers are present, the results may not look the way you expect. Next, under the Sort by drop-down menu, choose the column that contains your dates. After selecting the correct date column, choose A to Z. For dates, this means ascending order, which places the oldest date first and the newest date last. In other words, this is your chronological order setting. Once everything looks correct, click Sort. Your spreadsheet should now display the dates in proper chronological order, with each row staying connected to the rest of its data. If something doesn't look right, it's usually a sign that the wrong range was selected, or the header row option was missed. So it can help to quickly review those two areas. This is a simple but very useful skill that can save time whenever you are managing schedules, logs, reports, or any kind of date-based information. Thanks for watching.